Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. Happy weekend to us all. How was our night? We bless God for giving us the grace to see another wonderful day. You're welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonolu Ayinde, one of the many voices of TVC around the world. This morning I will be talking on It Is Possible, the power of possibility. A quotation ascribed to Mary Ashkay says, "Some people think they can, some think they can't. Either way, they are right." Friends, it is possible. If you can imagine it, it is possible. If you can visualize it, it is possible. In every detail, it is possible. If you expect it to happen, it is possible. If you develop a workable, realistic plan, it is still possible. If you put forth sustained, effective effort, it is possible. If you make a solid commitment, it is possible. If you are willing to walk through whatever challenges and obstacles that may come your way, it is possible. If you persist through all the ups and downs while always looking forward, guys, it is possible. If you can learn from the mistakes and gain strength from the past disappointments, it is possible. If you put your creativity, passion, and enthusiasm to work, it is possible. If you can imagine and visualize, expect and plan for it, if you can work and commit and persist passionately, facing every challenge, it is not mere possible, it is certain to happen. So, guys, if you look at the symbol on the screen, it is called the wheel of being, also known as the Celtic wheel of being, and it is also called the wheel of balance. It represents power, it represents possibility. Guys, don't look down on yourself. I charge you this morning. Anything you think, you aspire, you admire, or you wish, you long for to do, go for it. It is possible. And especially to the Kringle community, our mass adoption is possible and we are achieving it with unity and synergy among all members, paying our program fees regularly, saying good things about the community, going out to sharing the gift to other members. Guys, it is possible and that we achieve soon. So our economic phase is around the corner. Let us work hard. Let's continue in this unity and let's achieve our mass adoption. Thank you, guys. Don't forget, if you are yet to be a member of the Kringle community, come on board. You are welcome. There's a link below this video. Click on that link and register yourself and come on board. Also, there's a number there, contact, and also you can also join our Telegram group for subsequent and update and information. Guys, TVC is my birthright, and indeed we will achieve our goal. Thank you. I love you all. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on that bell by your right hand side corner and subscribe to it for updates on subsequent broadcasts. Thank you. Love you all. Cheers. Bye for now.